In this video we will look at angles of elevation and depression. So what's the difference between an angle of elevation and an angle of depression? Well, imagine you and your friend are at the Eiffel Tower. You're stood at the bottom and your friend is stood at the top of the Eiffel Tower. The angle of elevation is you looking up to find your friend at the top of the Eiffel Tower. So it is measured with the horizontal, which is parallel to the ground, and you going from the horizontal upwards in this direction. So it is this angle here between the horizontal and you looking at your friend at the top of the Eiffel Tower. The angle of depression is your friend looking at you on the ground. Again, the angle of depression is measured from the horizontal, which again is parallel to the ground, looking down. So it is going in this direction, and it is this angle here between the horizontal and you looking at your friend on the ground. Let's go through an example. The angle of depression from the top of the cliff to the boat is 73 degrees. Right, let's mark the angle of depression in first. So the first thing we need to do is mark in the horizontal. So the horizontal goes this way. And the angle, it is not this angle here. That is a mistake. It is a very common mistake. The angle of depression goes from the horizontal to the line joining the top of the cliff to the boat. So it is this angle here, which is 73 degrees. So let's mark in what other angles we've got. Well, if that is 73 degrees, this angle here is 17 degrees. We know that that is a right angle. So if that is 17 degrees, this must be 73 degrees. So if that is 73 degrees, I don't think we're going to need any more. So let's find the length x. So we have a right-angled triangle here. So we've got this triangle here, which we can use. We've got the height of the cliff, which is 228. We've got two angles. So if we draw this so we can see it easier. So let's use this angle 17. That is our length x. This is 228. Our right angle is there. So let's write down what we've got. We've got the opposite is x. Adjacent is 228. And theta is 17. So opposite and adjacent is tan. So therefore we got tan 17 degrees is equal to x over 228. So x is equal to 228 times tan 17. And if you go to your calculator, x is equal to 69.7 meters. B, find the length y. So we have got a large triangle. So let's draw the large triangle. So we've got we have got the length at the bottom is 147 plus 69, so that's 216.7. We have got the height of the triangle is 228 degrees, and we can find this angle here. So we want y, so we can use Pythagoras. We know that y squared is equal to 228 squared plus 216.7 squared. So y is equal to the square root of 98942.89. So y is equal to 314.5. So y is equal to 315 meters to 3 significant figures.